It's a great question. It all depends on whether you want to DIY decoration or professional work. So it's all about the work you want to do. If you want to DIY work in general, you can choose the model 901CG or the 9011G that I have right here next to me. These two products can basically meet the needs of a DIY work. If your work involves flooring, tiling, then I suggest you buy products with a DG or 04 in a model number like 904DG or the S04CG, which I have right here next to me. And we also have another model, the P04CG. It has a laser on the bottom. If you want a more detailed answer, and of course, you can consult our customer service at the official website. Our customer service team will reply to your email as soon as possible.